Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Motorola Moto G14 and let me share with you how to change the screen timeout on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and right here we have to find the option display. Let's tap. Now let's simply pick the screen timeout, and as you can see here we've got some options from which we can choose. So at the top we've got relatively short options like 15 or 30 seconds, and then we've got longer ones up to even 30 minutes. So basically all you have to do is to tap on the option like to use. I'll pick 5 minutes, so let me simply tap on it. As you can see it is marked, and after getting back you can see that it is immediately notified right here, which means that from now on, after 5 minutes of inactivity, this device will black out. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.